the trickiest question of a reading module? Is it sentence completion? Is it matching headings? Is it MCQs? Can you guess? Yes, it is matching headings. Candidates consider this question task as the most difficult question task of the reading module, and they complain that they do not understand the technique. So here the good news is, today in this video I will share 2 strategies to solve matching headings, and you can choose the one that best suits you. Hello everyone, this is Yesha Manik with IELTSMaterial.com, helping you to prepare for your test, write correct answers and get a higher band score in your IELTS examination. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Now let's look into the strategies of matching headings. Why this question task is the most trickiest? Candidates consider this as the most trickiest because of the following reasons. Number 1, it takes more time than the other questions. Number 2, there are more headings than paragraphs. Number 3, 2 headings sometimes mean the same and are confusing. Number 4, exact words distract the reader and at the end, the heading and the paragraph don't match. To bring you out of this confusion, I'm going to share 2 important strategies that will help you to solve the match the headings quickly and easily. But there is another thing. If you want to learn more about these questions and the strategies, you can enroll yourself in our live webinar class that runs every day at 8 p.m. To know more, visit our website www.IELTSMaterial.com and enroll yourself to learn from our expert trainers. Finally, let's look into the strategies. Strategy 1. Read the headings first. Read all the given headings, circle the keywords within the headings, try to paraphrase the keywords. Then, read the topic sentence and the concluding statement and match the main idea with the suitable headings. Try doing this because this is definitely going to be easy. Strategy 2. Read the text first. Read each paragraph, or I would say skim read each paragraph and then each heading to match the main idea. This method is repeated with the rest of the paragraphs. This method is tedious and hence I would prefer to go with the first strategy because that is easy and it is quick as well than the second strategy. Now let us practice an exercise together. You can see a small paragraph which hardly has 5 to 6 sentences. Now we would follow the strategy 1. Let's read the headings first. The first heading says, a source of information for some people. So my keywords would be information for some people. And the second heading talks about information that is connected with keeping certain kinds of food. So it should actually talk a few types of food. Now coming to the first sentence, the second step that I described is reading the topic sentence and reading the concluding statement. So let's say this is the concluding statement and I would first go through the first topic statement. In this topic statement, I can see that there is the description of an article, or let's say an information that comes from this column, that is last word column, in which readers pose and answer questions on all manner of abstruse scientific issues. So this is a source of information provided for some people. The information is related to scientific issues. Let's say with the topic sentence, I am able to get the answer as number 1. If I go to the last statement, I may get confused with the types of food. But as I said, if it is types of food, then definitely it would talk about different types of foods. And hence, this cannot be the answer. So finally, my answer is number 1, a source of information for some people. Now let's take another example question. Here, I would allow you to attend this question. I would also give you 1 minute to solve this question. Apply the strategy that you feel comfortable and give me the correct answer in the comment section below. So your time starts now. I hope you must have got the correct answer. And let us just first read the list of headings. The first heading says ideas not put into practice. So the keywords are ideas that were not used. The need to change the system. Need to change a system. Are they talking about any system? And are they talking about the need to change that system? The third one says an unsolved problem. They're talking about an unsolved problem, but still giving a solution to a problem. Now, if I talk about the paragraph contains the information related to an unsolved problem. That is, an ever increasing population on a warming, land impoverished planet. An ever increasing population, that is, it is an unsolved problem, and many people are trying to solve it, but yet it is confusing. People are not able to solve it. And also, there is a solution to a problem. There is another problem, that is food stuff, providing food stuff to all the people of the world. So here it says very clearly, there was no one foodstuff that could feed the world on its own. That is, there is no one particular type of food that can be used to feed the whole world. But there is a solution. This is another problem, and there is a solution. How they did is, they did come up with a menu that could feed a family of 4 for 365 days a year. The solution is a menu. So hence, with these 3 different findings, we come to a conclusion that our answer is third, that is Roman number 3, an unsolved problem and a solution to a problem. In the examination, against the question number, you would be writing the answer in this manner, that is Roman number. You can write it in the first way or in the second way. Any one is accepted, but writing the answer in the Roman number is mandatory. You cannot write the normal numbers or the digits. You have to write the answer in the Roman numbers. So as I said, it is really easy to solve match the headings, but follow the strategy and do keep in mind a few pointers. In this section, you will find small and big both types of paragraphs. But I would like to suggest you a few pointers to be kept in mind while solving list of headings quickly and easily. Number 1, read the headings carefully and mark the keywords. Number 2, solve the smaller paragraphs first. Number 3, eliminate the already used headings. Number 4, now solve the bigger paragraphs. And number 5, finally, complete the list of headings at the end. If these strategies help you in solving matching headings quickly and easily, then do let me know about the same in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. For more free IELTS learning, do follow this channel and stay updated. Thank you.